This day, June 27th, 2025, the sun rises not just on another morning, but on the beginning of forever. A promise is being written, not in ink, but in love. Jay, a man with a steady heart, ready to lead with kindness and strength. Jen, a woman of grace whose joy lights every room she walks into. And together they've walked through seasons of change and arrived at this moment, not by chance but by choice. And today they are not just saying I do, they are saying I choose you in every storm, in every sunrise. In every ordinary day, we make extraordinary simply by being together. This day is filled with memory, the echoes of childhood, the whispers of prayers answered, and the silent hope of generations watching with joy. Is the doors open, time stands still. And in one look, one smile, everything is understood. This is not just a wedding. This is a covenant, a celebration, a story only they could write. At the wedding of Jay and Jen. A captured, remembered, celebrated forever. Presented by Tricot Films, where every frame tells a love story.
Guys, dili ni AI ha, kasal na ni.
After 5 years.
I've known JB and called him kaning hobby. Sa first June is we met as kaning rival bitaw sa school. So in competition like quiz bee ana mga inter-school nga competition. And then nag-follow na is like mga youth reunions ana dito na jud mas nagbanda nga mo ang love and kanang pag-ila jud sa church na jud.
Their ment will play themselves out.
Na love at first sight ko niya. Kay pagkakita na ko siyang pinkish cheeks, ang smile kay purod ka ng inviting kayo ba? Sa mga mata kay tantalizing kayo. So, atik, in love dayon ta.
Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now.
JV and Jenmel, from now on you will be proving or promising to each other that you will love each other unconditionally. When I say unconditionally, what does it mean for you, for the two of you? It simply means I will always love you, even if I will always love you. Whatever happens to me, whatever happens to you, whatever happens tomorrow.
It's time that you want.
Wifi, sa harap ng simbahan, saksi ang langit, angat ng lahat. Nakatayo ako hindi bilang isang naka-uniforme, kundi bilang isang hobby na binuo mo. Dahil ang pag-ibig mo ang tumupad sa lahat ng kulang sa pagkatao ko.
Habi, 10 years ago, we started as rivals, champions from different schools, never knowing that God had a greater plan for us. From competition to connection, He gently weaved our story with His hands, bringing us together through faith, through prayers, and through our love.
It's like I'm seeing for the first time, like you open my eyes to show me everything I missed before.
Kahit laging long distance, ako sa PNPA, ikaw naman sa med school. Kahit wala tayong mansary o anniversary na sinelebrate na magkasama, palagi kang nasa loob ng aking mga panalangin. Tinadhana akong mapunta sa Cebu. Siguro, hindi lamang dahil sa karir, kundi dahil andun ka, andun si Santo Niño.
Let's stay here for a while.
Thank you for always choosing me and for always choosing us. Despite everything we've been through, you never stopped choosing me and you never stopped fighting for us. I hope you know there was never been a day and night when I didn't include you in my prayers, even in the moments I wasn't by your side during your cadetship. During our on and off moments, I was always there.
To show me
JB and Jenna, you will say today, I will love you no matter what. Whatever happens to each other today, tomorrow, and in the years to come, you love each other because the love of God is the foundation of your marriage. God bless.
Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. At sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko, pangarap.
Every day, I will always love you. 10 years at nandito na tayo. It's our time. I love you too much, Joy Faith.
I love you too much, forever and always, infinity and beyond. Till death do us part, every day I will always love you.
Oh